Make better choices with had better, learning English modal verbs. Hello, language learners. Today, we're going to tackle an interesting topic in English language learning, specifically in the realm of modal verbs. We're focusing on giving advice using had better and had better not. These are powerful, unique expressions that can help you communicate more effectively in English. When it comes to giving advice or making recommendations, the phrase had better is an excellent tool. It is often used to express a strong recommendation or a warning. It's somewhat more forceful than should or ought to. For instance, you had better study for the test tomorrow. We had better leave now if we want to catch the bus. The phrase is commonly used in its contracted form, as in, I'd better, or you'd better. The structure of had better is simple. We use had, followed by better, and then the base form of the verb. Remember, the verb that follows had better is always in its base form, regardless of the subject. Let's look at a few examples. She had better apologize for her rude behavior. I had better finish this assignment before the deadline. Now, if you want to give advice against doing something, you can use had better not. This is useful for giving strong warnings or suggesting that not doing something would be a good idea. For example, you had better not disturb the sleeping baby. They had better not miss this opportunity. Just like had better not, is often used in its contracted form, like I'd better not, or you'd better not. To help you master this concept, let's do a few exercises. Try to fill in the blanks with had better or had better not, based on the context. 1. If you want to stay healthy, you blank skip exercising. 2. We blank forget mom's birthday gift. 3. The dog looks angry. You blank touch it. The answers are 1. Had better not. 2. Had better. 3. Had better not. And there we have it. Remember, had better and had better not are strong advice phrases in English and can give your language use a good dose of authority and emphasis. Don't forget to practice using them in your day-to-day conversations to become more comfortable with them. Happy learning, and we'll see you in the next video.